Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Tom over at Gas. Today in the workshop we've got a Nissan Navara NP300 I believe. It's in with us today to have a few little styling upgrades. So the customer wants some side steps. The wing mirror covers he wants in chrome. So at the minute he's just obviously got the black wing mirror covers, black door handles, no side steps. So we've got the side steps in stock. We've ordered them from Eagle 4x4. Got the chrome door handle covers from Storm Accessories. And then the actual wing mirror covers we've had to get from Nissan themselves. We couldn't find anyone who does a version of them online, so they come direct from Nissan. So what we'll do is we'll get everything unpackaged and we'll start fitting them. So the wing mirror covers themselves just need a little plastic wedge around the gap, and that will just pry off. Just see all the brackets it clips into on there. And then we've got our chrome cover, just little plastic clips, and go in the wing mirror itself all the way around. And that just clips on there like that. The door handle covers there just stick on. You can buy chrome door handles from Nissan, but we're going to try the stick on ones for now. If the customer's not happy, we'll just purchase some chrome handles. I'm not sure on the price of them from Nissan. I did have a quick look, can't remember off the top of my head, but they soon added up. Time we got 4. And then all your little covers for your door locks. But we'll give these a clean, wipe them down, and we'll get the chrome covers stuck on. Ollie's just on with the side steps. So we've got some nice looking side steps to go on. 3 brackets hold them on. So nice and easy. So I'll go ahead, get the door handle covers on and finish up the mirror covers. So you've got one side completed, side steps on there, nice little feature, looks a lot better. We've got the chrome wing mirror cover fitted on this side and the stick on chrome door handles fit really nice. Like I say, you can get chrome handles themselves from Nissan, but for now we're just going to stick with the stick-on covers. Fit really nice, stuck on there well. So we'll see how we get on with them. The other side steps just going on, just being finished. Still got the black wing mirror cover and the black handles on this side. Let me know what you all think, black or chrome. Black does go well with the wheels. Not sure what the customer's going to do with the alloys, whether he's going to keep them or change them. But for me, the plastic is a little bit basic spec. And then we got the chrome. I prefer this side. Prefer the chrome on it, looks really nice. Let me know in the comments what you all think. Yeah, customers just bought the vehicle. Bumper's slightly out of line both sides. I'm going to have a look into that for him, give it a good check over, and then get the chrome covers on the offside, and then that one will be done. So this is a bit of a short video on the Nissan. We got it all done. We was waiting on one of the wing mirror housing covers to come from Nissan. That turned up. Then about 5 minutes later the customer turned up. So the customer was passing by, popped in to see if it was done, which it was. Just didn't get a chance to finish the video. So yeah, it was cut short. So I was a little bit unsure whether to do the video or not, whether to upload it, but I'll edit it and then see what it's like, and then I'll see if we upload it or not. But yeah, sorry guys, short video, didn't get to show you the end result, but you did see half and half, so let me know what you think in the comments. I really like it, how it come out with the chrome bits, look really nice, customer's really happy with it. And the door handle covers, even though they was just a stick-on product, it's really nice. They fitted really, really nice. Obviously the wing mirror covers, there's from Nissan, so there's a perfect fit. And the side steps really made it, so really happy with how that turned out. Like I say, the customer was happy, so he's got a few more bits he wants doing, I think now, like the grille on the front going to chrome. So what we might do in the future is when we get the car back, if he wants some more bits doing, we'll do another video and then we'll just show you the finished vehicle with all the styling upgrades on. But yeah, sorry it's short, hope you still enjoyed it. Let us know what you think in the comments and we'll see you on the next one.